Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Imagine needing a physical copy of an important document, a photo, or even a boarding pass, and printing it directly from your iPhone. With the latest updates for 2025, connecting your iPhone to a Xerox printer is incredibly straightforward. We will guide you through the simplest methods, ensuring your printing experience is smooth and hassle-free. Get ready to transform your mobile device into a powerful portable print station. Before we begin, let's confirm you have everything ready. You will need your iPhone, of course, and a modern Xerox printer that supports wireless connectivity. The most crucial step is ensuring both your iPhone and the printer are on the exact same Wi-Fi network. This common network acts as the bridge for their communication, making the entire process seamless. Double-check your Wi-Fi connection for stability, then we can proceed. Many modern Xerox printers come with Apple AirPrint support, offering the most straightforward connection method. When your printer is AirPrint enabled and on the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone, your phone will usually find it automatically. To print, just open the item you want, tap the Share Sheet icon, and select Print. Then choose your Xerox printer from the list. It really is that simple, often requiring no extra software at all. If your Xerox printer does not support AirPrint, or if you desire more advanced printing controls, the official Xerox Print app is your go-to solution. Head over to the Apple App Store and download the Xerox Print Service plugin or Xerox Workplace mobile app. Once installed, open the app and follow its intuitive on-screen prompts to add your printer. This method unlocks features like secure printing, accounting codes, and different paper tray selections. Encountering a hiccup? Don't worry, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. Always double verify your iPhone and Xerox printer are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. A simple restart of your printer, Wi-Fi router, and iPhone can work wonders for stubborn connections. Also, make sure your printer's firmware is updated. Newer versions often include critical compatibility improvements. With these steps, you will be printing smoothly in no time. Happy printing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.